Chair now recognizes our ranking member, Mr. Boozman.
Thank you, Madam Chair, for holding this important hearing. The Congressional Budget Office, EPA, and the Water Infrastructure Network have estimated that it could take between $300 and $400 billion to address our nation's clean water infrastructure needs over the next 20 years to keep our drinking water and waterways clean and safe. This is twice the current level of investment by all levels of government. These needs have been well documented in our subcommittee's prior hearings. It was 1 year ago today that we held a similar hearing on the benefits of wastewater infrastructure. Our nation's quality of life and economic well-being rely on clean water. Our nation has invested over $250 billion in wastewater infrastructure to provide adequate wastewater treatment so that we can keep our waters clean. This investment has provided significant environmental and public health benefits and contributes over $300 billion of economic benefits to the nation each year. The challenge to continue providing clean water remains as our existing national wastewater infrastructure is aging and deteriorating and in need of repair, replacement, and upgrading. In March 2009, the House of Representatives passed legislation that would authorize increased funding for wastewater infrastructure through a reauthorization of the Clean Water State Revolving Loan Fund administered by EPA. This bill is designed to help communities meet their growing demand for wastewater infrastructure needs and improve water quality. While I remain genuinely concerned regarding the adverse effects that the Davis-Bacon prevailing wage requirements will have on jobs and clean water, I supported the legislation on balance. If we do not start investing in our wastewater infrastructure now, it's going to cost our nation billions more in the future. And when we do invest federal funds in infrastructure, we need to do it in ways that will give us the best clean water value for the dollar. For many families in America, the recession is far from over as unemployment continues to increase. We can debate the merits and demerits of the stimulus package enacted in 2009, but I think we have a bipartisan agreement here on the committee that not enough money has been devoted to job-creating infrastructure projects. Today's hearing will highlight the positive ripple effects in the economy provided by investments in clean water infrastructure projects. The debate has moved beyond the calculation of job creation statistics. Debating job creation and its associated statistics are irrelevant. We all know that a robust economy produces jobs. Yet, according to the Associated General Contractors, 22,000 jobs were lost in the construction trades market during the month of June, and unemployment in the construction trades remains at 21%. These are not positive trends, and it's clear that the stimulus bill did little to create jobs. Too many stimulus dollars were allocated to other types of frivolous spending, while too few dollars were devoted to infrastructure projects that not only produce jobs but also lasting public benefits. The administration claimed the stimulus package would halt the unemployment from going above 8%. However, the nation has had an unemployment rate of close to 10% for the last year. Now some in the administration are saying that the stimulus package was necessary to keep unemployment below 12%. Given the fact that the transportation projects and other infrastructure projects like flood damage reduction and wastewater treatment projects provide economic benefits to the nation, the administration and the Congress need to place a higher priority on the work of the Army Corps of Engineers and EPA's Clean Water State Revolving Loan Fund and Brownsfield program. Without efficient transportation systems, the nation's competitiveness will suffer. Without a strong economy, the nation's environment will suffer. It is evident that we are now paying a heavier price for a stimulus bill that shortchanged the infrastructure investment. I'd like to offer a special welcome to one of our witnesses, Dennis Vandermolen, whose company has a number of important facilities in my congressional district in Arkansas. Thank you, Madam Chair, for holding this important hearing again, and I look forward to hearing from our witnesses.
Thank you very much.